Hi, I'm Victor from Large Print Studio. Today I want to show you how to assemble a canvas stretcher with a single brace. First, I put all stretcher bars correctly on the table, ensuring the bars are oriented to the top and I can see all the numbers on them. I started with the first corner, connecting it in a vertical position because it is easier to put the stretcher together vertically. I'm wobbling the vertical bar from left to right and pushing it down until it takes its place. After attaching the second vertical bar, I installed the brace and covered it with the final element. And just like that, the stretcher assembly is complete. Enjoy your framing.